Hey guys, I hope you're ready to start your adventures with SASG, and we're going to use some data sets that come from this site that accompanies the book called Practical Time Series Forecasting with R, but we are going to be using SAS for that. So the data set that we are interested in is called, it's here, and it's called bikesharingdaily.csv, and you just have to download it, and we're going to be using it for our forecasting and also for data analysis. So let's have a look at the data set first. Look here, please. So we have a few variables. The first one is instant, that basically just represents observations in the data set. So one is the first row, the second one is the second row, and so on. Also, you have DTE day. This is basically just the date on which the data was collected. You also have a season, and this seasonal variable only has four levels. So number one stands for winter, number two stands for spring, and so on. The year variable only has two levels. It's a binary variable. 0 stands for 2011 and 1 for 2012. Month has 12 levels, where 1 is January, 2 is February, and so on. Then you also have a holiday variable, where 0 represents a non-holiday day and 1 represents a holiday. You also have a weekday, where 1 represents Monday and all the way up to 0, which is Sunday. A working day variable is a binary variable, where 1 is a working day, actually when we go to work, and a 0 is a weekend. So you can also see that sometimes the working day can also equal to 0 when there is a holiday. So for example, if you can see here, right, the holiday is 1 here in row 17, but the weekday is Monday, but it's a holiday, right? So that's why it's not a working day. So it's not only just about the weekend, but it's also about a holiday. Also, we have a weather situation, and the weather situation variable has 3 levels. Level 1 is the first one is it stands for the normal conditions, and 3 stands for extreme conditions. We also have temperature and adjusted temperature. Also the humidity level, wind speed, and the most important, we have 3 variables: casual, registered, and the total count, that represent rides. And these are the variables that we will be trying to forecast using different models. So if we look at the casual, just, you need to understand what you're dealing with, right? So the casual variable stands for non-members who do rides on and off, they're not registered with this bike sharing system, let's say like Big Cities in Montreal, but they still sometimes use the bicycles to go for a ride, to commute, and so on. Registered users are the ones who are members, and I guess who use the system pretty often. And the total count is just casual and registered rides all together. So this is the data set that we are going to be using for our data analysis and for the forecasting.